Hello students, in my last class I have taught you about Paleolithic age. I hope you all have understood. Today we will discuss about Mesolithic age. The word Mesolithic is derived from two words, meso, that means middle, and lithos, meaning stone. We can say this Mesolithic age as a middle stone age also. It lasted from about 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age lies between Paleolithic and Neolithic period. The stone tools made in this period are called microliths. As we see in this picture, see here is the picture of the Mesolithic tools, and we can say these tools as microliths. The stone tools, that is microliths, they were smaller, sharper and better tools of the Paleolithic periods. See, you have seen the tools of Paleolithic period that was not sharper than these tools. These are smaller and sharper. People continued hunting and some practiced initial stages of domestication of animals. The people of this age practiced painting. Their painting depicted birds, animals and human beings, as you see in this picture, cave painting of prehistoric age. The people of this age practiced painting and people formed settled communities and started living in huts instead of caves, as you see in this picture. Here you see caves, not caves, huts. They started living in huts. It was towards the end of the period humans discovered agriculture and cultivation. Next topic is Neolithic age. The word Neolithic is derived from two words, neo meaning new and lithos meaning stone, and we can say this Neolithic or New Stone Age. It lasted from about 8,000 BC to about 4,000 BC. Neolithic age is mainly characterized by the development of settled agriculture and the use of tools and weapons made of polished stones. As you see in this picture, students, these are the tools of the New Stone Age. This is developed and polished than the before of the Paleolithic and the Mesolithic age. They were largely dependent on domesticated plants and animals. As you can see in this picture, so many animals, domestic animals were there. So they started domesticating animals. There was development of crafts like pottery. As you can see is this picture. Pottery belonging to the Neolithic age. They developed this pottery also. Then cultivation of wheat, barley and millets. Then cattle, sheep, goats and pigs were reared. Food gatherers become food producers. As in the Paleolithic age, they were food gatherers, means they were moving place to place for the search of food, but in Neolithic age, they began to cultivate food and become food producer. Now this was the Neolithic age. Now move to the next topic, that is agriculture. During the Neolithic agriculture, people learned to farm. They began to grow their own crops and settle in farmer villages. They must have also noticed the relation between different seasons and the plants that grew in these seasons. And agriculture was the turning point in the life of early human. They were now producers rather than gatherers, as I told you earlier that now they were cultivating their own crops and they became producers, not the gatherers. They started leading a settled life instead of nomadic life. Nomadic life means when they were going one place to another for the search of food, then they called as nomadic. But now they started living the settled life, and they made mud houses near their fields. As you see in this picture, here houses were there and near the fields. This is the field, and there only they made their houses also. And they cultivated field, hunted animals and made tools and weapons. These were about agriculture. And next topic I will discuss in the next class. Thank you.